Let's learn about OSPF Summary LSA. In the previous lesson, we configure OSPF on all 4 routers. As you may notice, IT Life Skill Router 2 has its interfaces connected to both Area 0 and Area 1. In this lesson, we will take a closer look on IT Life Skill Router 2 to see how it helps routers in one area to learn about the subnet in different areas and vice versa. Let's verify the link state database of router 4. In order to do that, at the router private mode, we issue the command show IP OSPF database, then hit enter. To verify the detail of the summary LSA, we need to use the command show IP OSPF database summary, then hit enter. Here we are at the private mode of IT Life Skills Router 4. Let's paste the first command, then hit enter. As you can see, in the link state database of router 4 for area 1, we see that there's 2 router LSAs, one created by router 2 and the other created by router 4. However, we do not see the network LSAs because the link between router 4 and router 2 is a point-to-point link, so there is no network LSA in a point-to-point network. But we see there's 3 summary LSA created by router 2. Let's verify the detail of the summary LSA by using the command show IP OSPF database summary, then hit enter. Here is the first LSA created by router 2. This LSA tells us that from router 4 it can reach to the network 10.0.0.0 with the subnet mask /29 via router 2. And here is the second summary LSA. This LSA tells us that router 4 can reach to the network 10.0.10.0 with the subnet mask /24 via router 2. And here is the third LSA. This summary LSA tells us that router 4 can reach to the network 10.0.30.0 with the subnet mask /24 via router 2. Let's verify the link state database on router 2 by using these 2 same commands. Here we are at the private mode of router 2. Let's issue the first command show IP OSPF database. As you can see in the link state database of router 2 for area 0, we see that there are 3 router LSAs created by router 1, router 2, and router 3. And there is 1 network LSA created by router 1. And there are 2 summary LSAs created by router 2. For area 1, we see the same information as shown in the link state database of router 4. Let's now verify the summary LSA on router 2. To do that, we issue the second command show IP OSPF database summary, then hit enter. As you can see, this is the first summary LSA in router 2 for area 0. This LSA tells us that all the routers in area 0 can reach to the subnet 10.0.0.8 with the subnet mask /30 via router 2. And The second summary LSA on router 2 for area 0 tells us that all the routers in area 0 can reach to the network 10.0.20.0/24 via router 2. And we see the same summary LSA for area 1 as shown in the link state database of router 4. Let's talk about the link state database of an area border router. In this network diagram, IT Life Skills Router 2 is an area border router because it has its interfaces connected to more than one areas, area 0 and area 1. The link state database of an area border router gets partitioned. The number of partitions depend on how many areas the router has its interfaces connected to. In this case, router 2 has two partitions. The first partition is for area 0 and the second partition is for area 1. Each partition is used to store the LSAs generated in that area. For area 0, since it is the broadcast network, so it has three types of LSA: router LSA, network LSA, and summary LSA. For area 1, since it is a point-to-point network type, so it only has two types of LSA: router LSA and summary LSA. For the summary LSA in area 0, it is to tell the routers in area 0 about the summary subnet in area 1. For the summary LSA in area 1, it is to tell the routers in area 1 about the summary of the subnets in area 0. Under OSPF design, only area border routers in the backbone area advertise summary LSAs from all areas to a non-backbone area and vice versa. Therefore, it is required that all non-backbone areas must connect to the backbone area either directly or via virtual links. In our network diagram, area 1 is connected to area 0 directly via router 2. Therefore, router 2 can advertise the summary LSA from all other areas to the routers in area 1. It can also advertise the summary LSA in area 1 to all the routers in other areas. Now, if we need to create a new area 2 like this, as you can see, area 2 is connected to area 1 via router 4. Since router 4 is in area 1, it cannot advertise summary LSAs from all other areas to the routers in area 2, and it cannot advertise the summary LSA from area 2 to all other areas. Therefore, this configuration is illegal. If we must connect like this for any reasons, we have to configure a virtual link like this to connect area 2 to area 0. Let's talk about area operation. As you may know, OSPF uses areas to help reduce the routing table. Less time is required to run the SPF algorithm and routing updates are reduced. The routers in the same area synchronize their link state database to make them identical. It is impossible for OSPF to synchronize all the routers link state database in an area if it is partitioned. Therefore, areas must not be partitioned. For example, now if we extend area 0 like this, it makes area 0 partition, and it is impossible for OSPF to synchronize the link state database of router 5 to other routers in area 0. Therefore, this configuration is illegal. Now, if we extend area 1 like this, it also makes area 1 partition, and the link state database of router 6 will not be synchronized with the link state database of router 4. Therefore, this configuration is also illegal. These two configurations must be dropped. Let's read the keynotes for this lesson. This is the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.